Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and kindly subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And so today we're going to do a full face makeup, starting off with the eyebrows. We are brushing using a toothbrush. Lining, you're going to use David's number 3 eye pencil, and with lining, you're following the shape of your eyebrow. So after lining, we are brushing again using a toothbrush, going upwards. And then with concealing, we're going to use Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I usually start from slightly in the middle part of my eyebrow to avoid putting a lot of product at the inner corner of the eyebrow, which may make the eyebrow to be too harsh at the inner corner. And so we just apply the concealer that way. Do the same on the other side of the eyebrow. And with concealer, use a brush that has a flat top. Blending, we are going to use a Damn Beauty blender. You squeeze out the excess water. You just tap in like that, or you can as well use your finger. And then with the eyes, we are going for pink and blue eyeshadow. Sorry, I did that off camera. And now we are going to apply our primer, especially in the areas which produce oil the most. That's the nose area and around the forehead. And so after the concealer sets in, we're going to apply foundation. Always use a matte foundation. Find the one that suits you well and use it. A matte foundation. Blending, you're using a Damn Beauty blender. We just tap in. And always blend your foundation to your ears and also the neck. Personally, I didn't blend the foundation to the neck because I'm going to wear a cloth that will cover my neck. And so highlighting, you're going to use the same concealer that we used on the eyebrow, Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And blending it, we're using the same beauty blender. We just tap in. I find a beauty blender easy to use because it blends everything so well, and I really like it. And then we are using a highlighter to highlight our nose and the inner corner of the eyes. Just a little bit of it. And then we are contouring our face using a fluffy brush. And then after that, we are going to do our lips, lining our lips using a number 3 eyeliner, lip liner sorry. And then we do that, I don't know how I can call it, to blend it in. And then with lipstick, we are going for a pink look. Today we are going for a simple look. We did the pink lipstick, and then on top we are going to add lip gloss, a clear lip gloss. Yeah, and then that's the final look. I don't know what you think, but personally I love it. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Meet again in the next video. Bye.